Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us start the second unit of Internet of Things, guys. So luckily for this unit is already been almost covered in computer networking, guys. So all the protocols which are given here are already covered in our subject. So that is the reason why now I'll be just giving you an overview of the protocol, guys, and I'll be linking you back to the lecture where I have discussed these protocols in detail with diagrams. Guys, please remember that you need to practice the diagrams also. Basically in ECE paper we are not having the CSE paper, but in ECE paper both we have only two papers, that two of ECE. In both of those papers he asked with diagrams, guys, IP header and TCP, I think so. So that is the reason why please go practice the diagrams also, guys, because these are not new for us. We already studied it in computer network and also in data communication. So this is the third time we are studying the same concepts again. So that is the reason why it is not a tough thing. So please practice them perfectly. Okay, yes. So I'll be adding about the IP header and IP protocol. Okay, similarly TCP protocol. Okay, similarly IP suite. Okay, that is nothing but TCP IP, guys. I'll also add the OSI model also, just to be on the safe side, because if it is asked you should be ready to write the answer. Okay, similarly the UDP, TCP, UDP, and the IP address and the domain name server. So I hope everyone remembers the concepts, right? So these are really easy concepts, and please watch the next lecture, guys, because those are the things which will be giving you a clear idea. So if you want just a small overview, I can give it, guys. Okay, yes. So basically IP address is nothing but the address or the numbers of which connect to the domain name or to a website. Okay, so that is nothing but then IP address. Similarly TCP is nothing but a communication protocol. UDP is also a communication protocol, where TCP is a connection oriented and UDP is connectionless, guys. So that is the only difference. So TCP IP suite is already known to us. So basically it internally consists of OSI model only. Okay, similarly IP address. Okay, yes, so pointing to that particular location. Okay, so we are having IPv4 and IPv6, guys. I'll be connecting to IPv4 and I'll be explaining you about IPv6 in our further lecture. Okay, so don't worry. Similarly domain name server. So the linking with the domain name with the IP address is nothing but the domain name server. So it's some kind of telephone directory in simple words, you can say. Okay, yes. So this is just an introduction, guys. I'll be linking you back to the previous lectures, so don't skip them. Please watch them, guys, because I'm 100% sure that any one of the question could come in your examination. Okay, yes. So in the next lecture I'll be discussing in detail about the static and dynamic IP addresses, guys. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.